welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be talking about the two updates in Farm World. Kitshine V.2, V.2, and the tractor, the lawnmower. Yeah. Okay, so the tractor update is really, it's like, it says it's super rare. So I got the tractor, and we'll just talk about the Kitshine first. The Kitshine is the newest update, and the tractor was a little while ago update. It took me forever to get it. But here is the Kitshine. It's just improved. It's not like different, but its face is different, its body is different, and it has like different fur. Like it looks like more flaky and stuff. But it's the game says it's really faster. But I really like the other update. Like not the other update, but like look how fast it jumps. Like I like the other Kitshine, like the Kitshine that was an original they made. I think they made the original really better than this one. But that's what they made, so can't stop the Farm World people, makers. But so yeah. And then before we get into the tractor part, like and subscribe, and yeah. And also, thanks for liking and viewing my Farm World vet. So comment, guys, if you like the me talking or me not talking. So let me know. So now we're gonna be doing the tractor. Here's the tractor, the lawnmower. Yes, so here's the lawnmower. It's really detailed and stuff. So, see, here it goes. This is walk. And then run. And then spin is this like funny little spin. It actually doesn't cut grass, which I wish it would cut grass. So, and then it does a spin. Hold on.
A few moments later.
Okay, we're back. Sorry. It does the spin. That type of spin, and then it does the engine, which I'm going to show you guys the engine real quick. And it doesn't move when you do the engine, so. But yeah. So those were the two updates, the newest updates. But yeah, so if you guys liked the video, like and subscribe, and we'll do more of these, like if you guys like talking or not talking. But yeah, so see you guys in the next one. Bye.